Welcome to day 18, and today we are going to discuss very important area again, that is money, prosperity and abundance. Yesterday we discussed few things and today we are going to elaborate it more. There are so many things in relation to money, prosperity and abundance that we miss something or other. All our thoughts and all our feelings regarding to money are going to affect our income, our prosperity and our abundance, everything. So what do you feel about the past money? Means the money you had in your past. As a child, you were provided with lots of comfort, care, education and so many things. You were not earning at that time. Somebody was providing you the money, and what do you feel about it? It's very important. You have to feel good about it, you have to feel blessed about it, and you have to express gratitude towards your parents, teachers and all those caregivers who gave you money or who provided you the comforts. This is one thing. Then we'll come to the present time. At present, you are still getting the money. Maybe you are earning, and maybe you are given the money by someone else. You have to feel very grateful about it. In last video, we have discussed about how to feel grateful about the work, business or profession you are in. Feel good about it and you will get the money and happiness out of it. Then regarding the future, we always invest money for the future, and you have to feel very safe, secure about the future flow of money. I'll tell you my personal experience. I always used to feel insecure about the future flow of money. I always felt that I'm not going to get the future flow of money in right proportion, right amount. That's why I never took loan. I took home loan only once, and that also I had to foreclose because I always used to feel very insecure that I'm not going to get this money month on month or year on year basis. That second time I did a good investment in the life insurance. I invested large amount in first year, and I used to feel very insecure about the next 5 years, 4 years, where I'm supposed to pay the regular premiums. And because of this insecurity, I did some very high risk investments to get a good flow of money, and I lost a lot of money, and I still feel very bad about it. But somehow I am transforming that feelings about future flow of money. I am doing regular affirmations and mirror work for it, and I am slowly feeling secure about the future flow of money in my life. Many people have wrong thinking about the insurance. They think that paying money for insurance premiums is not good, but think it like way. Suppose you pay all the terms, all the payments of your insurance for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, whatever it is, and you are alive at the end of that time to get all the money back. It's a very good thing. That means you invested for your future and you lived happily healthy life for all those years. This is very important, good thing. Second thing, suppose something bad happens to you, the money you invested in your insurance is going to be helpful to your family. Again, very good thing. Your family is going to think good about you. They are going to bless you and they are going to love you if you have given them money after your death. And you will be securing the future of your family even after your death. That is second thing. Third thing, you are paying the insurance premium and somebody has died or is going to die, and that person also had paid few premiums. So your money is going to be given to the family of the deceased person, and the family of the deceased person is going to bless you because they got the money when they needed it most. So this is how your money which you have put in life insurance is going to serve many people, many purposes, and feel as good as possible for all that money you have invested in life insurance. This is one very important thing I want to tell about the life insurance. Now, about Mediclaim. Many people think, they come to me and say that by investing in Mediclaim, they may be attracting illness in their life, but this is the wrong way of thinking and believing. Because if you invest in Mediclaim, you still can feel good about your health, you can still have gratitude for your healthy body. That is one thing. Second thing, many people are paying for the medical insurance. Somebody of them may fall sick, and your money will be used to pay the hospital bill of that person, and you are going to get lot of blessings, lot of gratitude from that person because he got the money when he needed it the most. So all these things are going to transform your thinking, your feelings. You are going to get more blessings from other people, and you are going to get more money in your life in turn. So these are very small things in which you should transform your thinking from negative thinking to positive thinking, and transform the feelings from feeling bad to feeling good. And this is the way of the law of attraction. The more good you feel, the more good you attract in your life. The more good you feel about the money of past, present, and future, more money you are going to attract. So transform your money area with practicing affirmations in front of mirror, maybe in your diary, or maybe whenever you are speaking about money. Speak always positive things about money. Think positively about money and prosperity in your life. So this is the end of day 18. I'll see you tomorrow in day 19. Thank you so much.